So hello guys, so today we have KIRO, that is a AI IDE that just got released few days back by Amazon, like not much days, like 5 to 6 days back. So yeah, so the fun fact is like it was downloadable, like we there used to be a download option, but 2 days back they have removed that, and they have kept the join list. I guess the traffic was more, and also there was a pricing page which was like opacity was less, so they also removed this like the pricing page also. So it's by Amazon, so everyone jumping the AI space so much, so it's fun to see. And yeah, we can see it's the best part of this is spec driven development. Like we have AI IDs like cursor, yeah, cursor everyone knows, windsurf we have, and many others also. But this is like currently though everyone is more towards Claude code, so yeah. But this thing like spec driven development is what like specializes Kiro code, like kiroide, not Kiro code. So yeah, I will show you what it is, what is spec driven development. And also it was free for those who already downloaded. So I will try to give the DMG file link, like in my description I will try to give. But yeah, it was free to download, and also it's already like it's having Claude Force on it and 3.7 using for free, totally free. So I'm coming to that. But let's see what it has extra, like not extra, but yeah, what it has got. So we have these four things. So spec, agent hooks, agent steering, and MCP servers. So what particularly each of thing does, let's deep dive into one of the like each of those. So yeah, a spec driven development means you have the requirement files and you have the tasks listed, so that agent knows like what is the requirement of this project. Like you want to build a project from scratch, so we should give a requirement file, like not giving a random prompt like create a Netflix clone, not giving a random prompt, and properly mentioning the requirement files and the tasks that the agent needs to do. It makes the agent much more like the context of the context that we give to the agent is much more clear, and it can build much more, it can give good results, more good results. So it's the most good part I saw. Like we don't have to create requirement and requirement files task manually. So like we just give the prompt. Wait, I will show you everything. But yeah, it's very easy. The requirement files creation and tasks, everything is very easy. And we have the agent hooks. So agent hooks are what? Like it's nothing but hooks are like triggers. So suppose you have one file, and you saved the file, and like the saving is a trigger for something. So suppose you want a test file to be written after the file gets saved, so you can set up a trigger which will create the test file after the file gets saved. So that's like a trigger or just hooks. So we can add hooks here. I will show in the IDE also. And also we have agent steering. So what is agent steering? Agent steering is like steering docs. So steering docs are what? Steering docs are nothing but the memories or rule files. Like we use, like we have cursor rules, and we in cursor rules what we need to do, like what we give generally is the project structure and about the knowledge of the project, about the context of the project, and also like the rules it needs to follow. Like I want to use ShatCN in this project, so I should write ShatCN should be implemented. I want to use Tailwind. All these rules, all these are steering docs. Don't misconfuse steering docs with specs. So specs are just the requirements and tasks, and steering docs are about the project structure and rules. And the MCP servers, I guess everyone knows. So MCP has been so popular, calling the tools by the agent is, yeah, this is also supported in this IDE. So yeah, so that's basically how it works. And let's deep dive into how, like let's show you. Let me build like we have one Next.js app. Let me show how it works. So we have a basic Next.js app. Also I guess I have set up the ShatCN also, it's there I guess. Let me search ShatCN. No, it doesn't have ShatCN. Okay, cool. So okay, let me tell it. So we have two modes here. One is vibe and one is spec. So vibe is just like not without any like it will not generate any requirement files or any task. But spec is what it like differentiates everything. So if I give a prompt like I want to build a Netflix clone, it will go and first like prepare a nice requirement files. Then what it will do, it will create the tasks, and that tasks we can run them one by one. So that's how spec driven development works, and it's much better to go with spec driven development if you are building from scratch. Also even if you are building anything, any new feature, it also helps there. So I'm going with spec driven development, and vibe is just nothing but you just give the prompt and it will the agent will handle that all this stuff. So yeah, I'm going with spec driven development for now. So let's go with I want to build let me first give let me open my super whisper. So if I open my super whisper, so yeah, I want to build Kanban board type of web app. So we like we already have a Next.js app that is the starter template. So put like create a Kanban board on top of itself. So let's see. Yeah, we have it, and let's give it. And autopilot means like you know already, so it will handle all the like you don't have to like accept again and again. It will auto accept all these things like all the file edits or anything such like that. So let's see. Yeah, it's creating the requirements.md, and where you can see it, you can see it here .kiro. Here you can see the specs. So you can also create the steering docs, then you will see the steering docs also you can see in here. So yeah, also the hooks are also created in this .kiro folder. So everything it handles under this .kiro folder. So yeah, do the requirement files good? If so, we can move to the design. Okay, it has created the requirement files. Okay, you can see. So we have the requirements, design, and task list. So it first created this requirements, then it will create the design, and then we'll go for the task list. So yeah, if you like want to add anything extra you have in mind, so you can add it here. And yeah, let's go move to design phase, and you can also follow up here. So yeah, so which model, select a model to retry. Okay, Claude 4 Sonnet. I guess there was an issue. Okay, I see you want to build a Kanban board. Okay, cool. So I guess it's preparing the design docs. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you can see it's created, it has created the design, and it will fill up now. Let's see it in action. So I guess it has also created, yeah, it has also created the design file that we have, and now we want to create the task list. So 3 phases: requirements done, design, and task list. This is what is spec driven development, and I like it so much. It handles all these things, we don't have to manually do all these things. So yeah, it has all the design things like about the what to do, the architecture component, everything is there. And now move to implementation phase. So yeah, it will create the task list, and it suppose it has created 3-4 tasks, and we can run each of them. So let's see. Yep, let's see. So it has also created the task list. So you can see the task one by one. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 so many tasks. It has around 12 tasks. So each of them we can run by start task. So yeah, finalize task list. Okay, fine. So yeah, it looks good, and we can when we click on start list, like start this task, it will go to the agent, and the task will get the task will get started, like yeah. So yeah, so let's start these tasks. So let me start task 1, task in progress, and if I start the next task, it will be in queue. So yeah, task queued, it will be task queued, it will be task queued. So I have added 4 tasks. So this task is in progress, and these 3 are in task queued. So you see these tasks here. So where is that? Yeah, so this is being implemented currently, that is running, that is task in progress. So okay, not this one, this one. Yeah, this is being run, and let's run this, and you can see the other task gets where is it, other task gets queued here. Okay, fine. So yeah, it's running the terminal commands. For terminal commands, I guess it will ask, but for file changes and accepts, it will not ask. So yeah, let's run them. So you can also click on follow button, so to see to follow like like to see what it gets generated one by one. So yeah, the changes is more pleasant. Like when we see the files automatically gets edited, the view is more pleasant, I guess. Not for everyone. So it will take much time, like we have so many tasks here, so it will perform them one by one. Okay, so first task was already created, like already completed. Now it's doing the task 2, so it will take time, and you can just click on task, start task, and have a cup of coffee, and then come back and you see all of them done. And yeah, it's kind of like it's better to see how the most good part is the spec driven development. And also I forgot to show you this thing, that is the you can generate steering docs. So remember what I told you about steering docs. Steering docs are nothing like the memories or the like info about project structure and also the rules. So you can also generate steering docs. So what it will do is so currently the generate steering docs also get queued, so it will be handled after task 4. So what it will do is it will generate the project structure to like just like what we give the in cursor rules to tell about more about this project structure. And also we can add up the rules in, like after creating this generate steering docs, we can also add up the rules there. So yeah, you can also add up agent hooks, like you see, like you can describe that after file gets saved, create test files, and yeah, you can just enter, and yeah, it is also got queued. So yeah, after steering docs it will be handled, so everything gets queued one by one. It's like it is also a good thing, like the architecture is also better. So yeah, you can see the specs. Currently we have one spec, and we have agent hooks, agent steering, and MCP servers. So you guys already know what it is. So like I'm totally enjoying this, and also totally free of cost Claude 4 Sonnet. So like building from scratch is not like just like giving one prompt, it will also generate specs by itself, requirement files by itself. So I just loving the spec driven development in here, that is the KIRO code. So let's see how it comes up with the pricing and all, and also see how Amazon plays in this AI race. So let's hope for the best. So for you guys, I will try to give the DMG file in the description. And yeah, let's also wait. If it's not possible to get downloaded, let's wait for the join list. So you can add your email address in the join list, and you can have the file there. And yeah, I'm totally enjoying it. And if you like the video, do give it a like, share, subscribe, and all the stuff. And let's see in our next video. Till then, peace.